We're back. I'm going to have to make a new offline graphic. It woke up at 12:30 your time. Oh, that's a quote. I thought that was a question. There we go. So I think we're all set. Jad with the first on this segment of the stream. Very, very nice. GG's. Congrats on the win. Everybody else can redeem not first exactly once now. We fixed that. So now it works once. So that should be good. That's why it's a race. That's why the fun of it being a race at the start of every stream. I like that it's all automated. So for each segment, you get to be first for that segment. So that's fun. Okay. Getting a couple things set up. Looking at a few other things, but we should be good. All right. Code-wise, we're going to grab a lot of stuff from... we're going to snooze that ad just so it doesn't happen right away since we just restarted. We are going to be coding a minigame today, chat. So for this segment, we are going to, from basically scratch, but not really, because we're going to copy a lot of stuff over from... Abe, thank you for the resub. I appreciate it. But we are going to be copying a lot of stuff over from Blowout as well. We are going to be making a new leg.gg minigame called Die Kia. It'll probably take us a couple days to get this fully correct, but I think we're going to be able to do most of it pretty quickly. So project-wise, I think it could work. I think we'll be good. We just need to grab the useful bits of code and then also refactor and do a couple other things. Now, we've made ourselves, for leg.gg, we've made ourselves a existing template. This is all Java. So we've made an existing template. We call it our paper template, right? And this is what you have to do to reset from the paper template to the actual thing that you're going to do. So this is Die Kia. We refactor this. Scary pet guy with most wardens doing the wandering the halls. Yep. Refactor rename to Die Kia. Select all. Okay. Do refactor. Registration. Command registration registers all of that. Commands. Paper template command needs to be refactor rename to Die Kia commands. Do refactor. And we're going to make this DK. diekia.admin. And then this is DK admin reload. The reload config manager load configs reloaded the plugin. So IKEA. DieKia. Yogurt covered raisins. I don't have them as a snack too often. But yeah. Okay. Config manager. We'll get to what these values are. This is DieKia main config. I think we're done here. Paper templates. This is default prefix. This just needs to be changed to DieKia. That should be blue. This plus. How do you do components? I'm just gonna leave it be that for right now. I need to remember how to do actual chat components at some point in the future. Event registration. Okay. IKEA. LMG plugin set plugin. So that's there. Instance is set up. Saving configs, forcing shutdown. Perfect. We are mostly set up. This has most of our base stuff. And then we're gonna check this in and say initial refactor off template. So that's our first commit. Easy enough. This is working. The other thing we need to do is make sure that we're going to search for templates. This is to dye Kia. We missed that file. And this, where's this? To dye Kia. And this needs to be dye Kia. Authors.add Lagundo. Save. We coding the game. We are. Edit configs. We're going to add a new one. We need a Gradle config. It is build shadow jar, which is the actual command that you need to do. If we refresh this now, everything will refresh. And if we build it, it should build. Now we have a plugin that does not a lot of anything. But there you go. We have a plugin now. We have a plugin that now exists. Simple as that. A little bit of code. We have a lot of template stuff. It does nothing, but we have a plugin that exists. Part 2. We're gonna commit that as well. Time to play the game. No, we're not. No, we're not anywhere close to testing. We have quite a bit to do before we're there. Packages. Boop, boop. We're gonna grab a couple things from Blowout. So we're gonna grab these 2 runnables, which are really useful. This is scoreboard title runnable. This is name is dye Kia, and this will be chat color.blue, and then this will be yellow, and then this will be blue. So it'll be blue with 1 yellow character ticking through it. So that should all be easy, and that's all good to go. Procedural generate. Ooh, that could be very fun for pressure trials if we could figure out that. Also, there's this arrow trail runnable, which we don't really use in Blowout, but I want to, because I want to have, when a team shoots an arrow, have color particles of that team following that arrow. So that could be fun. Okay, and then game. These can honestly come over wholesale. And we have to change a couple of these. So an arena, icon enabled, bound by backs, spectator 2. The spawn points, we're going to need to for an arena. Well done. Thank you very much, Rage. I appreciate it. We are making progress. Pressure Trials is the roguelike that we're going to be making. So this is a lot of the arena stuff. There are 3 things that we need. So instead of spawn points, we're going to make this be a build site. So we're gonna get to that later. A match, active teams player. We don't need last damages. We don't need a border. Survival. We don't need a border. Survival points is the only thing we need. We don't need a border radius. We don't need a border task. Death messages and deaths is funny, so we'll keep those, and we don't need this slices variable. What we will need is a so we have the game time, starting time, this. We also need a round. We need a number of rounds as well. And we will, instead of game time, actually, it's round time. And then the starting time for each round is a variable that will repeat. So we'll have to do that. This uses the, no, I'm off of your refactor. I am copied off of your refactor branch, Rise. Unless I just pulled the refactor branch from Blowout. At least I thought I did. Maybe, maybe not. It said get Boolean. Where? Okay, let's not worry about these just yet. Team We don't need a building item for the team. Armor color will do for the boots. So we don't need this, and we don't need this. We don't need, this needs to be die Kia. Get scoreboard manager. I don't think we're currently pulling in, how do we pull in this? So I'm pulling code from Blowout, by the way. Scoreboard manager. Oh, I need to init a scoreboard manager. Okay, so IKEA. This has a getter, private. It's just private scoreboard manager, scoreboard manager. Perfect. Limit to how far is planned in advance, like a week of activities. We have at least 2, and we have a list of things we can do later. So we'll get to those. This does use the old config. Okay, so that's weird. We'll sort that in just a little bit. What was that? A wheel from Brianna. Where at? Wheel. I can just do wheel from this. Let's see what we get. Oh, it ticked back at the last second. Okay, you're participating now. Okay, nothing. Unfortunately. Hold up legs. What? What? It ticked backwards at the last possible second. Wheels don't do that. This one does. I didn't do it. I didn't. I'm standing here. I'm far enough away. It is. I don't know what it is. I think it's just slightly because it's leaning on the chair. I think it's not weighted. It's absolutely not weighted. Right? If we kind of rigged it around the end of its life cycle. I don't think so. Okay. Demand a free Plinko. No. No. This is one of those times where I'm going to be antagonistic towards you all. No. No. I'm not. We're not having it. What's half a Plinko? That it doesn't get to go. No. No. Rejected. Okay. Scoreboard title rentable is good. Team is good. Scoreboard team is this. I'm not. Look, if you want to be on camera, be on camera. But I'm not lying right now. 12.5% of blink. No. So I do like Sierra. I drop it and it gets stuck on the third peg down. No. Okay. Here. I'll give you all 12.5% of a plinko. Ready? There you go. There's 12.5% of a plinko. There you go. It's done. We've done as needed. That just stays there. I am not wrong. Exactly. If it falls naturally, we get a treat. No. Okay, we don't need building item. So this needs to be die Kia. Load team from config. This. Register new team. This is set up. And we don't. Yeah, we can get rid of all of these things down here. And what we can do is we can do. Hi. We can do getters for. Yeah, so this is almost certainly the old version of the configs. I don't know why. Doot. And boop. I'm going to grab this and I'm going to undo a bit of code because there's a formatted name getter that I needed to not have deleted. And now we can just replace this. And these methods need to be here. And then these methods could all be not here. Yeah, these can all be deleted, I think, and we're good. So we're all set. We also don't need alive and dead because it's just one player. At getter, at setter. Boop, 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 boop. Is it? Can I put both on one line, Rise, or do they have to be on separate lines? I think both can be on one line. I think we're set. That's most of it. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. Boop, boop, save. Okay, so teams are updated. I need to pull the team manager from Blowout. Team management is the biggest thing that I'm really glad that I figured out in Blowout that we don't need to worry about. So we can grab this. Okay. Okay. We don't need the loot. Scoreboard manager. That. Wait, does this actually pull? Scoreboard manager. Yeah, it does. Okay. This will be diekia.plugin. This needs to be private IKEA plugin. There's going to be teams. So what I'm going to do, the easiest way to do this is if I code it with support for teams, and then I just have one player teams, it makes my life really easy to then expand it to allow for 2-player teams in the future. It is just the tiniest bit of extra work now that if we want to change this to, instead of 1v1 8-player, we could do 2v2v2v2 8-player as well. So we can have a duos playlist in a sense for this game to let people work together. So every game is going to be a team game, even if it's solo. So we're just going to try to future-proof, in a sense, a lot of these things. So we're going to do this, and then in here, we can just put a getter on main scoreboard. And this should be, we need Unicode small caps. Leg.gg. Yeah, we're just gonna future-proof here. So leg.gg is now all set up. In the bottom of it, notice what I call the dummy scoreboard, because it is a thing. And then here, this needs a getter of private team manager as well. It's called I Hate Scoreboards, because the dummy scoreboard is just called I Hate Scoreboards, and it is, you have to make one. You have to make one. But it is so frustrating. Where is this done? This is done here. Registering events, configs, commands. What scoreboard manager do I have imported? No, I need to import our scoreboard manager. I'm just going to do this. Scoreboard manager, team managers, team manager this. Team manager needs to have a... Oh, no, that's the teams. So we close all of our other tabs. Our team manager needs to take a Daikia instead of a blowout. And the teams will just import... Hold on a second. We'll fix this. Where I can queue for a game and play Extraction and the SMP at the same time. Once the queue is full, warp me to that game. Just a thought. The only thing is if you're playing Extraction and you get warped out of a raid, you're going to die, which would be a problem. The matchmaking algorithm right now only exists on the hub. So the matchmaking algorithm right now only exists on the hub. It doesn't exist on the SMP because right now I've really only built it to have one hub spot and then all the servers connect up to that one instance. So we can work on it. I need to do a lot more work on matchmaking to allow you to basically queue to one game from another game. So it will come in time, but the new hub's going to have a lot more to do as far as killing time in between matches. So hopefully that'll be better and hopefully that'll help. The idea, theoretically, it would be nice to make it so that you could queue to like blowout from the SMPs, but we probably wouldn't, or Daikia. You can queue to the mini games from the SMPs, but it wouldn't, probably not from a game to a game, if that makes sense. You could be from like a non-minigame server to a game server, but not from Extraction to Blowout or Extraction to Daikia or Daikia to Blowout. At least not in the immediate future. That might be expanded upon in time, but where we're at right now, we're not quite there yet. And then I need to grab this, which is, I know, not the way that Rise likes to do it, but I still like having a little bit of old school strings still. Blue. Oh no, this is red. Plus chat color dot yellow plus KEA. Only on like.gg. Namespace name is Daikia. Do not drop, which we don't really have, so we're fine. As far as the way I'm doing these with chat colors and everything, this is still old school. There are better ways to do it. I can't fully get over this yet. I fully can't get over it yet. I'm working on it. I am an old man who's yelling at clouds, and I'm in the process of changing it. I am getting better. Because they should all, realistically, he's right. They're right. It should all be in config files. Right? Refactor, rename. Boop, boop. Those strings are just for being able to say, it's like message, pre-building a bunch of messages. Daikia strings. Get server mode, which we'll have to do something about in a minute. We don't need get active players because the players are there. Yeah, you absolutely could config that. Teams should have a getter on it. And then that makes that all sorted. Yeah, we don't have a way to unset a team from a thing. So Daikia, this on blowout. This needs a few variables here. This needs config. Those are the managers, so we'll put those there. This needs a getter. Oh no, at getter private string server ID. ID should be this way. At getter private server mode, and then another getter private server state. Annotations are not allowed there. Yeah. Oh, because that's not a semicolon. Whoops. We're called in Daikia right now. Yes. Oh, this is still using the old methods. Okay. We're going to learn. That's called Lykia. We'll work on that. One day. Someday soon. Also, matchmaking connection and stats connection. We are going to need these. So let's do these databases right now while we're thinking about it. We're going to make these two database connections, which is very easy because we can just grab this code from right here. Matchmaking connection. Oh yeah, I have to do the actual connections. These don't need getters then. So that's all set up. So yes, this is still doing get config. I don't know why I thought I checked out your branch. Get branch. Get branch. It says I'm on refactor. Surprise. It says I'm on refactor. That's where I'm confused. It's pull. Oh, hold on. Did something go wrong when I pulled it? Set origin to origin refactor. Oh. Refactor to refactor. Oh yeah, there we go. I did pull it, but there you go. Okay, this makes way more. Hey, I got that right. At least I'd gotten some of it correct. Starting task and countdown are two variables I need. Perfect. Oh, nope. And we are going to need the post-game NPCs as well. Arena, selected arena. Oh, you refactored quite a bit in here. Arena, selected arena, and match. That needs to be that. Match needs to be imported as well. Team, scoreboard. We need our main listener as well. Yeah. Listener, which we're going to make the class for right now. So we have it right there. So much code. The part I rewrote before that. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes a lot more sense. So instance is this. So config manager, load configs, load arenas config. So you've made this a lot simpler. Config manager. Configs. Oh, okay. Main team spawn. Let's grab these three, put them here, and add them to the code. Realistically, I should just pull everything, but yeah. Season, server mode. I'm just going to grab all of this. Server ID, automatic, SQL, We don't need kill points. We don't need kill points. We don't need the last damage delay. We don't need a border delay. Min players, max players. Min is going to be 4. Max players is going to be 8. NPC locations we will need: scoreboard, personal, spawn location, post-game location. Those are all correct. Round duration. Each round is going to be 2 minutes, I think. You're going to gain 25 points per player that you survive. We probably should rise, but I'm going to simplify this. I'm going to just get this working, and then we can see the overlap, and then we'll be fine. 2 minutes per round. So it'll be 2 minutes per... Actually, per build is probably a little short. Probably 180. This game is going to be pretty fast-paced. We're going to play with this, too. It's 2 minutes per round, right? So you're going to do a round. Slowest person dies. Do another round. Slowest person dies. Do another round. Slowest person dies. Che Bear with a resub. 27 months. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. So that's the whole idea, is you're going to do a round and people die. And we have to write the whole algorithm for like block matching. So that's the main config. An arena. Key name. Max teams is 8. Max players is 8. Dark red. Blue concrete, just because I think it's funnier. Intro 1, intro 2, the spectator location, the team spawns. A team spawn has a key in a location. That's fine. A team doesn't need a building item. It doesn't need to track. It should track players alive and dead, just because that way we can be set up for multiplayer at some point. But it doesn't need a building item. So that should be easy enough for those. And I think we're all set on these main configs. And then an arena is, oh boy. Okay, is greatly simplified as well. Public arena gets an arena config. Boop. We don't need to know the center or the radius. So we don't need these two variables. Spawn points is hash map. That can just be this. This is Daikia. Import. This is Daikia. Daikia strings dot console prefix. Daikia strings. Daikia. And then I don't think check arena is that. Don't think we need all these getters and setters. I think all of these. Oh, you just do at getter and setter up at the top here. Does that just put it for all variables? Yo, this is so cool. I'm hyped for that. That's really good. See, chat, I'm learning while we're coding. Because it's the first time. Rise has been refactoring and doing a lot of really cool stuff to take it to that, like, I don't need to write all these extra bits of lines of code. I can just put these couple annotations up here, and all I have to do is write the little chunk that actually makes the game work. And Rise has made everything else just seamless. But it's taking me time to learn that and get that right. Jack, with the raid? Heck yes.
Thank you.
Have you started streaming? You said you were going to start streaming again. That's awesome. Thank you very much for rating it. I appreciate it. So we'll work on what we need for the additional configs for this, because we need to do some cool stuff for this. There's live junior hardcore. Nice. So it's going well, I hope. Match. Okay, so let's take a look at the match. These all have getters and setters as well. So match ID, team, active teams, players, and spectators. This is team config. That's now set up. Damage event, I don't need to keep track. Player scores, I need to keep track. I don't need the boom modifier. Okay, death messages. Okay, I think we're... You died to... No! You died? Oh no. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to hear that. That's rough. That's unfortunate. To do populate messages. Daikia.getInstance.set server state. So Daikia needs a setter on the server state method as well. And we'll do a setter on server mode while we're at it. Get scoreboard team. So a team here needs a 8 related problems. This is messed up. I don't think I can. I think it doesn't work. Because it was saying that it doesn't know about the getter method. But yeah. I'm being hit by... Oh no, Snowby Bane F's in the chat. RIP to Jack's hardcore world. But you go again, my friends. Oh, it's because the team class is not imported. It's because these are still pointing to the blowout versions. Let's let it refresh for a second. Get min players in Daikia. Min players? Do I not have that set up here? Min players. Oh. Okay. Where was this? And a voicemail. Just finished your first plugin in a long time. What are you up to? Jack, thank you for the 100 bits. I appreciate it. One more minute on the timer. Taking a break to come. No, you're fine. Just give it time. Give it time. Okay. Assign. Okay, so let's do the critical things. So close our other tabs. Inside of a match, we don't need kill points. We don't need these things. Round time is equal to round time, which will paste. Starting time is equal to round time, which will paste. Knocked with the prime sub. We are doing well. We are coding a new minigame in Minecraft. It is a building matching game called Daikia. Which is gonna be fun. I'm very excited for this. So that'll populate the death messages. Animation duration, we don't need these. Red, gold, yellow, and green. Get instance. Set score. This. Round time. Match. Provided. Required type match. Daikia game.match. Wait. Refresh game scoreboard. Oh, refresh game scoreboard needs match. Team.get. It also needs team. Needs to be imported. Daikia strings. Grab that. Paste that there. We're getting there. Chicken and waffles, hot honey. Ooh, that sounds good. Wasn't a happy hour scheduled. The happy hour is at 3,200 subs, so we are very close to that. All right, you're going again in 10 p.m. in 10 minutes. Nice. Happy hour is at 3,200 subs. Team config. Two related problems. Okay, stand by 1 second. I'm still getting this all ported over. Die.kia.get instance. This is die Kia strings. This is die Kia. This is. Oh, we do need animation duration. Distance, X, distance, Y, and animation duration is still things that we need. So hold on, stand by. This isn't match. So we do need this right up here. So that'll move the players from 1 to 2. That'll do that. We're just going to grab this whole bit because I think I can just replace all of this. IKEA.get instance. IKEA.get instance. We should be getting there. Only made it from a partner and I share, but oh, nice. Hype train incoming. Yes, we're 1 away. Now, this is the border and the game task. We don't need to do the border. So we don't have these. The border delay. So we don't need border task. This can be diekia.get instance, diekia strings. What? Jack with the 5 gifted subs as well. To Scotto, Programmer Does Stuff, Cool Hot Dog, Ishi Smites, and Mutilated Rage picking up the free subs right there. And we are on a hype train. Oh boy. So for this is spectators, check game. Round time minus. We don't need to worry about the boom modifier. Round time is there. We don't need to do the border math. Round time. What the heck? Enigma with 10 gifted subs as well. This is the stream that never ends, and it's a happy hour, friends. X. You just activated happy hour. So happy hour is now on. I'm gonna let's grab a picture and we can post that up onto. Just post that. There you go. Y'all are wonderful. Thank you so much. Sad but iconic. Okay. Blue sky. It's boop. It's boop. A happy hour. Pasting that. Which dot TV/window. Enigma with another 10 gifted subs. We are at hype train level 5. And that's already way bigger. Or miracle minute over. So happy hour and miracle minute overlapped would be 8x. No. So miracle minutes are things that we schedule specifically partially for this reason. So that way there isn't a conflict between things. It is meant to be like level 6 hype train. It is meant to be, yeah, we have to keep an eye on the timer to make sure it doesn't misbehave. But we should be okay. So keep an eye on. Like if too many things go. Jack, our resident oil baron. It's 2,000. It's 2,000. Wait, no. No, 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 no. No, wait, no. Wait, no. No, wait, no. 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 When were these rules specified? I didn't agree to this. Ow. Ow. It was right in the armpit twice. Oh.
There's your mini firing line.
There's the mini firing line. Have you done the Plinko yet? What Plinko? We have no outstanding Plinko requests currently. There's 2002 lets me yes. Hypothetically, yes. Also factually, yes. Since you two can unilaterally make rules, I'm making rules too. Oh yeah, that's right. Hey, Beck. Hold on, Beck cam. Hold on. Beck cam. Hey, Beck. Unloaded fast.
But it's off the board.
For now. Oh, thanks, Jack. I get to do it again. Hold on. I'll get Sierra for this one. Sierra has officially requested to not be on camera, so you're going to have to just trust me when I say I'm shooting him, okay? Oh, it's in his hair!
Wait, no, keep it
Okay, you need to show them this. You need to show them this. You need to show them this.
No,
Oh, it fell.
No.
It was stuck in his curls. He was a pretty little unicorn. Goose saw it. Wait, Goose saw it. Is Goose in video chat? That was just for you. There you go. Here, catch. You didn't catch. Weak gun should use stronger gun. I don't have stronger gun. We're working our way up. That's a surprise tool we'll have for later. Oh no, that scares me. Level 7 hype drain, 2 minutes on the clock for that. Don't airsoft me. Please tell me it's not like an airsoft or something. Oh, nothing that's going to actively damage my walls. That would be great. Jack, thank you for the 159. Is it a Nerf gun? Oh, why is it pretty sure? I don't like that she said pretty sure. That was just not a that was a non-binary yes or no, and I don't like that. The one situation where I don't like that. It's a water gun. Oh jeez. Looks fun. New stream I watched a lot of 100 Days Multiverse. Oh, thank you very much, Zula. We're having fun here. It's a little more chaotic than normal. When we have on streams, but we're having a good time. It's been quite fun. Round time equals 30. Round time is this. Round time is this. IKEA. We're in the process of coding a new mini game for our server, which is I'm very excited for. Okay, so then this is this. If round time equals 0. So we don't need to do this because we're not going to play. Actually, if it equals 0, this is to do. Actually, because we're not going to have overtime in this game mode. This is to do end round. So that should just end the round right there. Do end round. Play end SFX. Calculate losing build. Eliminate player. So we'll get to that in just a second. Level 7 hype train completed. Thank you all so much for the support. insanely supportive. I really, really appreciate it. That's very kind of you all. The minigame's going well. We are getting a lot of the kind of infrastructure in place just to get things good to go. And then we're going to start working on the actual game logic. But we're copying stuff across from Blowout, which will do like 50% of the work for us. So this will teleport the spawn chambers. This needs to be different items. PSN title, match starting. This is to do, give unique items to, actually, hold on. The boots we can do. The boots are done. We don't need arrow. We don't need bows. Iron pickaxe efficiency. Unbreaking 100. They don't need a mace. So then it'll just be give spawn item pick. We should have an axe too. And a shovel? Probably a shovel. Oops. Shovel. Also, we should also add silk touch. Pick. Add unsafe enchantment. Enchantment. No, not binding. Silk touch 1. The axe needs an unsafe enchantment as well. Axe. Efficiency. Probably let's just do efficiency 3 for both of these. I think efficiency 3 is like fair. It shoots half darts and it looks like an assault rifle, but when it shoots you, you don't see the bullets. You hear them hit their targets with a very loud thump. Whew. That's terrifying. Can't give you all items and unbreakable. I just think it's funnier if we have unbreaking 100. I just think it's funnier to see unbreaking X on a pickaxe. And if somebody's tool breaks, we're just going to immediately replace it with code with like a voice line because that's entertaining. It's entertaining to do it that way. So diamond axe. We're going to do diamond tools too because why not? Pickaxe. And then this is diamond. Diamond shovel. That's what we'll need, I think. Just pickaxe and shovel. Unbreaking 420, because then it would be like enchantment.unbreaking.420. It doesn't know how to do... base Minecraft doesn't know how to do Roman characters above 10. Yeah, so the voice line needs to be like, wow, you are being so productive to break that. Because remember, you only have a few minutes. Catch me up, please. We make game. AI make build or AI kill. That's the very short version. But no, we're starting to code on Daikia, which will be quite fun. So we will give them the pick, the axe, and the shovel. Beck.ai. No, the AI's name is Build. Build. It's an acronym. I forget what it is the acronym is for. Maybe we'll make you all figure that out. It's a building matching game. It's a building matching mini game in Minecraft, which we're in the process of making. Now they don't need a bow or an arrow. Then their leather boots is their team boots. Cool. So that's start the game. Something here is probably when we're gonna have to start the round. That usually is Legs' downfall. Build, B-U-I-L-D, like the act of building. And then okay, so active teams. So for team config, team and active teams. Radius. And is wait, so is active teams? Oh, the active teams is team configs now. The bullets still moved at full speed as they thumped into the cardboard. I'm scared of that man. My life would end if I was close to him. What's the lore of GLaDOS again? We're not telling. If you, ooh, that's a good one. If you encounter our build enforcers, run. They need the exercise. That could be fun. Okay, so this is scheduling game task. Okay, and this is check game. Oh boy, for team config team and teams. This is die Kia strings. Active teams remaining. Round time. Ikea.get instance. Endgame. Dot next. Oh, endgame we'll get to. This needs to be team config winning team. Endgame. Cool. She's lots of blowout code in here still. IKEA strings. Get player team. Ooh. Actually, I don't think we'll ever have to worry about multiple teams getting eliminated here, because I don't think we'll need to do this. Do we need this? What are we coding? We are coding Daikia, because the teams are going to get eliminated in a very static situation. So I think we're fine. Because you're going to eliminate one team per round, basically. Do insert into matches, then that'll do that. Team config, team and teams. Daikia. For right now, we're gonna save this off. To do update for your plugin works. Nice. Also, we'll be able to spoiler somebody's messages. Wait, really? That's really cool. For the long bug fixing streams, hopefully we don't have to do too much. Get config. Wait. Get instance dot get main config. No. Dot get config manager dot main config dot get post config dot. Where is it? Main config. Post game location. Dot get post game location. Do I need a getter in this? Getter and setter. Main config. Oh, I do. Okay. Boop. Getter, setter. We don't need these two things here, and we don't need these annotations. I made dinner. No worries. Match. Get post game location. Get return to hub item. Oh, I need to do blowout get return to hub item spectator menu item. We need to put these into IKEA. We'll just use these. Easy enough. And we're gonna copy this error message. IKEA strings.prefix plus message. Okay, so that's all set up. So that's literally all the code that we need in the main thing. Oh, let's actually do the other two items that we need too. Boop. Boop. So that's all fixed now. So those are the 4 like item stacks that are very common. Has Mog's Subathon ended? It did. Mog actually raided us last night in the middle of the night when I was asleep. I did not realize. I'm so sorry. Actually, I should ping the Discord that Subathon that it's on happy hour right now. To do happy hour. Publish. Let me just check something on the. Nope. Okay, we're good. And I'm looking at something on base too. This is all just webhook stuff. We're good. But yeah, unfortunately, it did end. He raided over and was immediately started playing Words on stream on my subathon, which was hilarious. Okay. Scoreboard manager. Let's just fix these classes one at a time. Import that class. Okay, so this is good. Or is it? No, it's almost good. Get min. Oh, plugin.get main get config. No. Lime, thank you for the 30 bits. I really appreciate it. This is going to be kia.get config manager main config.get min players. Okay, so that's correct. Players remaining. We don't need the boom level. This needs to be like round. So what we can do is this will be it. First, it will be the round. Round. Copy. Oop, where's my tab? There's my tab. And then it'll be match.get rounds. And then the match needs to have in it an integer for the round. Game task, match active. These need to have getters associated. Not first. Not me. I have 35 bits. You're fine. Y'all don't feel pressured. You're good. As always, the rule is take care of you and yours first. Okay? Please don't break that just because we're doing a subathon. The most important thing that we can do is make sure that everything is fine. Okay? Server work on Bedrock. Yes, it does. It's not perfect, but it's mostly functional. Is the important thing to remember. It's mostly functional. And that's the big thing. Okay, so blowout listener. This needs to have so private final IKEA. Okay, an anonymous gifter with 20 gifted subs. Well, there you go. Whoever it is and who does not want to be called out, but thank you so much. Wait. Whoa. Wait. No, that's 20 tier 3 subs. Whoa. Did that just add? That's 12 minutes per sub times 20. That's 240 minutes. Doubled. That's 480 minutes. That's 6 hours?
So we're back to where we started today.
Yeah? What just happened? Oh no. We are very close to the classified values.
Oh no.
What the?
No, that's correct. That just added 8 hours onto the stream, I think, right? Yeah, because it's 12 minutes. So it's 12 minutes per tier 1 sub, per tier 3 sub.
Oh!
Wait! They did it again. They just gifted another 10.
Come on.
They just gifted another 10 tier 3 subs. Whoever you are. What the heck? We are going to be here for forever. So that just added another 4 hours onto it. Lime, you have a sub. You're a sub, Lime. The timer being at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 was very... Yeah, it is. The fact that it was... The timer just hit 100. We hit the 3,500 mark. So Lime, when you are a sub, you can't be gifted a sub. So I don't know if you can get upgraded to level 3 off of that. My goodness. Oh my. Oh my. What did we do? I'm freaking out. Yeah, we need to double check. So let's well, I think it's the fact that the events happen like overwhelming it all at once, right? I think it's the events overwhelming. Oh, we did. Oh, we did. It did just add something small. Oh, I'm gonna have to charge Deanna rent. Charge the cat. It added 4 minutes. The clock is broken again. Oh boy. Somebody clip that so we can send it to Luna, send it to the devs. I mean, does this matter? Does 4 minutes really matter in the grand scheme of things? Oh, look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. There you go. There you go. We saved it. We saved it so that way it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Well, you know what? We'll leave it because I don't want to mess with that. So just watch out if it just randomly adds another bunch of hours out of nowhere. Oh my. I know what 4K is. And I know what 5K is. Well, I don't think we wrote down what the plan for 3,500 was, but oh boy. It just says classified. So double check the spreadsheet because we hadn't associated all of them. Yeah. Yeah. Oh God. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I was not prepared for this. I was not mentally prepared for this. Hey, do I just say that we're making our own minigame event? No, like we're having that too. We're having another event, which is a thing that there's actively people sitting and coding right now. But the way I'm making all of these events on leg.gg, the idea is we're going to be able to just take them all, stick them together, and just play them one after the other. And we're going to be able to make our own Minecraft minigame event. So it is something that I'm committing to this year. The idea is after I have 6 games done. We're going to do 6 games. So after we have 6 games done on the server, we're going to take them and it's just going to be leg.gg creator invitational. And we're going to have teams to be able to run multiple rounds of everything else and just put it from one game to the next. And we'll just keep the stats from all of them, put them together. We'll have to build a little bit of code on the hub for all of it, but it should all be straightforward because the way that we've made all of this, and oh my god, I'm we've had a net, yeah, we have more time now than when we started today. What do we do? The timer wants to stay at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it went up again randomly again. How much did it go up again randomly again? It went up another 2 minutes and oh, it just did it again. It just did it again. I just watched it go up another 4 minutes again. I'm just worried for when it's gonna repeat the tier 3 sub events. Y'all aren't getting me clips. Yeah, we're working. It's going up. No, it's going up way more than that. Oh my goodness. That's wild. Yeah, don't know how. So there's a little clip button on the bottom of the screen, or you can press Alt X and it'll make a clip. There you go. Or there. And they did it anonymously, which is wild. That's the most amazing part, is like it was not for any shout out or nothing. It was just not just because here we want this to happen. We want the timer to just run for forever. Oh my goodness. Shouldn't be taking naps during the subathon. I miss all the crazy stuff. We hit the first classified goal. 3,500 is saying that we're making our own Minecraft minigame event. I didn't think we'd hit it this fast, so the graphics not done. But like the reason why I'm trying to get Daikia and Pressure Trials and a couple other games which are on the to-do list but not quite done yet is because we're gonna take all those minigames, we're gonna put them together, we're gonna invite 40 creators together, and we're going to run a minigame event off of the leg.gg minigames. And that's the plan, and we're gonna do that. That is like where we actually, Bex, if you're there, can you just update 3,500 to say like leg.gg minigame event? That would be great. So that way it's not hidden secretive anymore and we can reveal it. It is the kind of thing this during Miracle Minute would have been great. Don't say that. We find the divorce limit. Okay, I just saw the hours go up. Did it just add the 5 hours again? It just added 4 hours. It just added 5 hours again, right? Somebody go back and check. Because it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what we had, right? So that would be correct. It added 6 hours randomly. Oh my god. Thank you all. Thank you all for keeping track of this. And now the playlist is clowning on me. What, why, how, where, when? I have no words. Oh my god. Who just gasped? Who just gasped? Oh god, you scared the heck. You can't just gasp. Yeah. Oh my goodness. And Zara, thank you for the hoodie purchase. Okay, good to know. This playlist is actually sentient. Right? That was, yeah. So there you go. So that is 20 minutes on the timer times 2. So that added, oh wait. Time 20 minutes. Wait, it just did it again. Subtract time. It just did it. So I was trying to add time with the commands. 2 hours. So that's where it is. Add time 20 minutes. Added 40 minutes. So 12418. That is correct. We're good. Okay, Gamble Cam. Oh my goodness. Okay, here. We'll go here. Gamble Cam. 3 wheel spins. Back to back. 123 to 129. Which is just repeating another event. Okay. Just bump the Plinko board. Nothing. Hold on. The old Miracle Minute, which I think we're good. Wait, hold on. Camera. Infinite wheels. 2 more wheels. That was Kingdom's wheel. Okay. There's another free Blinko. Go. What the heck just happened? Here. Just take all the chips. What was that? Try again. Go. Wheel. No, that was a wheel. That is a wheel. Here, I'm just gonna.
Oh, 10 minutes. Almost another free Plinko.
One more wheel. Floor means free tour of Legs' house. You're getting a little bit of it. So 40 minutes total. Okay. Gamble Cam is close. Oh, wait. Wheel. Wheel. They always come in batches. Add time 40 minutes. Okay, I'm checking something. It is doubled. So it's 40 minutes total. So that would have been 20 because I had to say 20 because the wheel's not doubled. Okay, so there you go. 70 minutes altogether from wheel spins. There you go. Gamble Cam. Never mind, wheel. Every time I turn off the camera, a new wheel comes in. You get nothing. Okay. Yeah, MC was the latest, so we're good. Wheel! I got it. The second I turn it off, every time. Wait. It is a quest. Okay. So, oh boy. Okay, so we have to do 2 quests. We have to do a quest. Oh. Wheel, Gamble, wheel. Got to break. So we owe 2 quests. No, God, wheel. So many wheels. Nothing. Wheel. Another. Plinko. Here, you Plinko. And I will wheel. All the gambling at once. 10 minutes. Nothing. Okay, so there you go. That's all of them. 10 minutes. So I made it. Never mind. Wheel. Get it out of your system, everyone. 30 minutes. Oh my God. 126 hours on the clock. Okay, I'm gonna risk turning this off. Wheel! 5 minutes. Okay, and then no way. Really? Wheel! There is no stream. So all of you are subs. There is a wheel emote. There is a wheel emote. You could just be spamming the wheel emote. There it is. Oh wait, we are subs. Oh wait, we have this. Okay. I found it. Okay. I'm gonna turn off the camera. We're gonna go back to coding now. We're gonna do a thing now. Wheel! Sarah! 30 minutes. Okay. We're gonna go back to coding now. We're gonna do things on stream now. Don't you tell Gooses to do it. Oh no. No, you need a copy pasta about wheel. No, you need a copy pasta about wheel. There needs to be something about how this is here for wheel. We are here only for wheel. I exist for wheel. Wheel is what I am and wheel is what we are. We are wheel. We are Legion. You need a wheel. Wheel! Nothing. Oh, good. Good. We're done. Wheel at all costs. We are wheel. We are Legion. Hello, Lagundo. It's me, your only wheel spinner. For months, I have created the illusion that you are wheeling to a larger audience. But here's the truth. All these wheel in chat are me. And for now, you are convinced of this. I will send this message from all of my accounts. Yeah. Should I just pick 16 for you all now? Should I just check now? We'll just pre-select 16 off on the side for you all. Oh, we gotta get click maps up and running. I gotta do that. Oh my goodness. Praise be. Oh my God. 16 was the folder that you all that chat chose for the first Deal or No Deal, and it was the one with 100 subs in it. And I gifted 100 subs to the community. Hey Siri, set a 10-minute timer. Timer's up. Timer is up. I need to not acknowledge what is inevitably about to happen on stream. How hard was it keeping a poker face? Intense. Actually, no. I disassociated so hard. We're fine. You know what I'm going to say. Victory at all costs. Wait, what? Oh, yes. That's what we were doing before all of this just happened. Circle! Circle! Spinny! It doesn't count if somebody else says it. It only counts if I say it. I'm just saying. 5 minutes. Spinny! Yay. Okay, back to code. We need a 16 emote. We'll work on that. We'll work on it, okay? I have a feeling it will come in, it'll happen soon. Everyone take a drink. This is implements listener. Nope, not WebSocket listener.
Welcome, Raiders.
10!
Choose your fate.
Watch the show or watch the show. Thank you. Hello, everyone, and welcome into the raid. Hope you're having a wonderful day. We are here on the Forever-a-thon, where we will be streaming for forever. We will be streaming for forever. So things will be going for forever and for a while. This is the stream that never ends. My name's Lagundo. I play a lot of Minecraft, but I also code games in Minecraft. And we are in the process of coding a game called Daikia, where you are going to have to match against builds while an evil AI mocks you. So that'll be fun. Death Punch, hi, how are you? Good to see you. I'm gonna do something. 16 blesses all who believe. I'm gonna turn those off and see if that solves that problem. So we're gonna turn off ads for a little while. Ask him what the circle thing behind is. I'm in the middle of a word ban where I cannot acknowledge this thing behind me. If you happen to have channel points, you can spin the spinny thing behind me to add to the time, as well as if you wish to support in any way, shape, or form. We are going to be making all sorts of really, really cool stuff. And I am very, very excited for potential and future amazing... Spinny! Spinny! Gamble Cam. Also, Beck is here. Sierra is behind the computer. Mom's playing Nintendo again. Thank you for the Prime sub. 5 minutes. We are... we just finished a... Wait, that was not an hour. Was that an hour? That doesn't feel like an hour, right? The happy hour was not. That didn't feel like an hour. I'm gonna fix it to. I'm gonna make it another 30. Here. Let me fix it. Power up off. So then I'm gonna turn the power up back on. It's about 15 minutes. What I'm gonna guess is that potentially the devs are fixing thing behind the scenes. Potentially, Beck is still here. Potentially the devs are fixing things behind the scenes, and that's causing things to refresh. It was 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna power up off. Add time 2 minutes for mom's sub. And then I'm gonna put it back on for another 30 minutes. So there we go. So we are at 2x power for the next 30 minutes. We are in the middle of a happy hour. That was at 3,600 subs. We are very close to 4,000. When you get enough for spinny thing, it's all over. That's fine. Jad with the VIP as well. Meanwhile, we gamble. Yes. But Tan, if you need to raid and run, I understand. I would, but we gotta get together. We gotta get everything going. Get the gang together and do some stuff.
Whoa!
Mickey with the 5 gifted subs as well. Thank you so much. That's very kind of you. We're at 127 hours on the clock. Luna with VIP as well. I'm trying to code here. I'm trying to make a mini game for Minecraft. And make a new mini game. It's not happening. Hi, Luna. We're at 127 hours. 100 days of stream. I don't know if we will be able to make it 100 IRL days of stream. That feels divorce. That feels deep into divorce territory. I'm not gonna lie. This is yep, 100%. You will not code. You will only spin. You're never gonna get done with the coding. Nope. Nope. Not. It's not happening. No. 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 Back. Ben. I can't say what that thing is called because then I have to give 5 subs. 20 minutes. And if you're wondering why I'm doing half as much, it's because the wheel... Dang it! I just messed up. Oh. Oh. I was 7 minutes in. I was 3/4 of the way through it. It's because the wheel should not count for double time. So that's why I add halftime when we're in happy hours. The wheel should be flat of what it is. That was good. That was good. I'll give you that. That was good. You earned that one. 5 gifted subs. What the heck? With another 10 tier 3 subs. That's another 8 hours? Because, yeah, 12 times 10 is 120. Doubled is 240. That's another 4 hours. And we still need to load a quest. That's 100. We're at 131 hours. What is happening? What is happening? Oh my god. This streamer will never be free. Well then, load the quest, give us a reward. Okay. I have to do, here, Beck, can you just do it? You can trigger the quest from the back end. You can do it from your screen. And then we'll set a 25-minute timer.
Oh!
Clouds and Peaches with 5 gifted subs as well. Paying forward your gift from One Crazy Mofo. Which I'm going to read that name every time. Come on, y'all. Divorce is the finish time. No, it's not. The stream has been determined to continue eternally. So we're at 133. Is that right? Does that feel correct? I don't know. Our timer also has developed a mind of its own, and sometimes we'll repeat events just randomly. It should be higher. Goose's piece. Okay. In the quest thing, or quest. No, so are you in the layers, quest, settings, testing? No. The settings, click that, then click the settings button beneath it. Then click testing, and then click roll quest, 100% chance. Nerf firing line again. Reroll it, because this one's happened, so they haven't gotten it yet, so they should get a new one. Coin flip. Okay. This is a 50-50 shot at 20 subs from me. Right? This is a 50-50 shot, and if it's heads, I gift 20 subs. That's what this one does. Tier 3. No, tier 1. I gift 20 tier 1 subs if it's a coin flip. So that is literally what it is. It is a 50-50 chance at 20 gifted subs from me. Yep. It's a quest for gambling. We all are going to need rehab after this. I'm going to say it point blank. It's going to happen. It's so bad. Also, y'all, if you want to support the stream and you want something a little bit more tangible, instead of purely digital goods, we have exclusive Subathon merch that's available at the store, which you can get. And Beckcam, look at that. Golden was on it for the setup. You can get exclusive Subathon merch, which is available. T-shirts. Oh, I caught it. T-shirts add 10 minutes to the clock. The hoodies add 20, and they are affected by happy hours. So you will get double for each of these pieces of merch. It is lagundo.store if you'd like to check it out. A lot of them have already started shipping out from day one, so this is just happening. We're all gonna need rehab after this. Yes, we do ship to the UK. We ship fully internationally. I believe they're actually produced in the UK, so I think they are tariff free. So I think there is a fulfillment website. Fourth Wall handles all of that. I am completely hands off. I upload the designs, I set the price, and then I put them up there. TNT, things happened. We do have merch giveaways, which we are going to do. Some day one stuff is already starting to ship. So yes. Like that. So somebody just gifted a sticker sheet to the chat. Type !enter all caps, and you can participate in potentially getting one. Yeah. Oh, I have the sticker sheets right here. They're Kiss Cut stickers. We wish we could get them closer so we could have fit more on the sheet, but unfortunately, this is the most we can fit on the sheet before it tells you it's gonna cut the stickers together. But you get a sticker of these. It is the L logo, which is very Price is Right coded, which is the very kind of retro vibes that I wanted for this Subathon and the visuals of it. So I have a few of them right here. These are my kids' stickers. They're gonna get them a little bit into the Subathon, and we'll see what they do with it. But yes, it is that. So am I the only one not entering? Yes, I think so. But you already won a sticker sheet. Yeah. So feel free. They have indeed shipped. See what I mean? Fourth Wall is great. I'm very happy with everything that they've been doing. It's wonderful. You're not muted. You're muted, by the way.
Oh,
Now
no.
you're not. Now you're not.
The hoodies are super thick, super cozy. The reason it's not on my chair today is because I was cozied up in the editor room just napping.
But yes, it is. I specifically buy the merch that is. Thank you for the bit, Lime. I specifically buy the merch that is softer and more comfy, just because that's what I like to wear. So that's what I'd expect everybody else would like to wear as well. That feels only fair. Feel the stuff then. Oh my goodness. We need to make the game first. We're getting to there. The game is not. We have thoroughly derailed the concept of coding. Okay, we're gonna let's get back to doing some coding. So when a player joins, where the plugin should manage their join. We have a manage join event here, which we're gonna put up in Daikia, which goes after all of the items and messages. What? Oh, what thing am I on? I'm on the wrong screen. Here you go. This is Enigma with 10 gifted subs, which counts for 20 points towards the quest. Oh my goodness. You're all are gonna run a coin flip. It's going to be Cammy, something tells me we'll still be here. Not gonna lie. We just had some people really dump a ton into gifted subs. Coin flip is a 50-50 shot at 20 gifted subs from me. I flip a coin, and yes, so because it was custom rolled, the timer on the quest isn't going down. We are timing it manually, and we will end that quest manually at the end of the 25 minutes. So we have that all sorted. Kia. I'm trying to code as fast as I can. Plus chat color. Holly with 5 gifted subs as well. We're now 3/5 of the way towards that. Oh my goodness. Yellow. I gotta code faster. Oh my goodness. I have to code faster. Code faster. Assign team and manage leave. And start countdown should all... Actually, all of these should be the same. And set server state needs to be here. And then we don't have a setter on server state because that needs to be... That has additional logic to you. Coded by trade, you pick it up when playing Minecraft. I'm a software engineer before I was a YouTuber. I went to school for load arena config. Oh, I don't have that method. I went to school. I have a degree in computer science. I did computer science and development while I heard something else just happen. Who was that? Oh, that's Golden Rush Redeeming. Okay, we're good. Have his nails painted by chat, a chosen color. I think we said we were going to put those in. Did we say we were going to put that in?
We did. Let me see if it got added.
Okay. Load arena configs. So this needs to go into config manager, load configs, and it's load arena configs. And then this needs a list of arena configs and arena config loaders, I think. And then that goes underneath
We did not.
main config. Import class. This dots plugin. This needs to be plugin. Boop, boop, boop. That. Plugin. That's all correct. So we're good. Another 10 gift subs. There'll be a coin flip for legs to gift another 20. Yep. I have something. Hex code color. We're gonna Dusk is trying really hard to make something green screenable. Holly with another gifted sub. Thank you so much. About how long is left on the timer, Beck?
I don't
It
know.
disappeared.
I don't know. It just
We were at 32, right?
Yeah.
Hey Siri, set a 10-minute timer. We're gonna count this. You have 10 minutes for another 18 points worth of stuff. I'm gonna do it manually. We're gonna do it manually because I know. We're fixing it. But yes, we're fixing it. So you have 10 minutes for another 18 points worth of stuff. I'm gonna keep track of it manually because it is being frustrating. But we're going to slowly fix it.
Oh!
That's 10. So you have 8 points worth of stuff. Anglus with 5 gifted subs. My goodness. Yeah, it's gone, Mini Skater.
Oh!
There you go. That's 20. Enigma Fig with the 5 gifted as well. Okay, I need a coin. I don't have one.
I have one. I've got some in my purse.
I need a big coin. This is just a basic quarter. Mini Skater with the gifted sub as well. Oh, I have an MCC coin.
Oh yeah.
I have an MCC coin we can use.
All right. I'm gonna wrap.
I have an MCC coin. It's just not a winner's coin, but I have an MCC coin. Okay. Coin flip is 4. If it's MCC, I gift 20 subs. If it's just season 3, I do not. Okay? I'm gonna throw it up. I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna flip it onto my hand.
Flip the wheel.
Flip the wheel. I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna flip it onto my hand, and I'm gonna try not to look. I'm gonna try my best not to look, but I do need to catch it. So okay, ready for 20 gifted subs. I'm gonna do this. That's what it isn't. Okay? So whatever is facing the camera is the side that came up. Ready? No, unfortunately.
But that quest is repeatable, so it could pop up again.
That one is one of the repeatable ones. Nope, I fill up tails 2 times in a row. Nah, that one was heads. That one was heads. That one was heads.
We do owe a second quest from the wheel too.
Okay, roll it.
Okay.
Let's see what we get.
Roll quest.
Marbles.
Ooh, marbles.
We're gonna start doing marbles on stream. Hey Siri, 25-minute timer. In case it breaks. So yeah, we'll start adding marbles on stream. We'll start doing some marbles on stream. That's the one that counts. Yeah, the third one doesn't count. It's only the first few. I'm like, I have 2.5 hours. I can get a lot of coding done in 2.5 hours. No. Very little done in 2.5 hours, actually. My God. Also, so we're gonna keep coding. We'll get to that. That's a large, yeah, it happens. Third time is the charm. It's not a trick coin. Beck was reffing. I do not know sleight of hand magic, right? I cannot do that. Also, I need to send a message.
I was debating flipping it over in your hand to give it to chat.
That honestly would have been quite funny.
We cannot let this man be on track.
No. I need to find a group chat that I'm in to give them a heads up that this thing might be happening. Yeah. So the team is
Wheel.
okay. Here, Cam. Wheel. Another one as well.
Double or nothing.
Oh, okay. So the next wheel counts for double. I want to see what this is.
Quest.
Oh my God. Okay. Just we'll save. So we have 2 quests in the bank that we need to order, which we will do. I'm potentially about 2 to 3 days away from hitting this one. Or maybe less than 24 hours. I don't know. All caps. About 4 days. Rookie redeemed a Plinko as well. 30 minutes. Oh my God. Yes, that's the next pile. And planning around. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. 136 hours and 15 minutes. Yeah, Sil, stuff happens. Oh my God. So there's a 12.5% of Plinko. And all I had happen was I had Beck kick the board to have that one put down. So yeah, we're going to be here for a while. Nope. And you know what? That's what I knew. I was signing up for this. That's kind of what I knew. Like, I knew I knew that this was going to be happening.
Will there be a point where we get cut off?
Yes, potentially. Almost certainly. Because like I said, I don't want to be divorced. Wheel.
Wheel.
I think wheels are gonna have to go more expensive tomorrow. A little bit. Nothing. No wheel. No wheel. No value from wheel. Last subathon I was involved in went for nearly 4 months. Wheel 15K plink. Wheel. Yeah, they're probably gonna go up a bit. TNT. Another one for the list. Why? Why? I didn't do anything. I've been good. No, we're good. TNT's upset. You say it ain't rigged. We're gonna turn off the wheel camera. We're gonna mail her a sorry gift. Look, I have pre-ordered Valentine's Day gifts, okay? I am ready. I was ready for this. At this point, you're gonna be hearing wheel in your sleep. We'll say, when is the cutoff, like, of the whole subathon? So look, what it would have to be, it would be like, I think by the end of the month, it wouldn't be always on. What would happen is the time that's remaining would just turn into me being alive whenever I can be, and we'll just work down the timer from that. It probably would be like, it'd become like a work week subathon instead of a 24/7, because I wouldn't be able to be live on the weekends. So that's probably my thought. Is that's usually okay. Go stamp your card, TNT, and you're done. So yeah, that's probably what it would have to be. Like, there's a certain point where I can't be live 24/7 anymore, so we'll have to figure it out from there. So it would become workday subathoning. So the stream would actually end over the weekends, but it would run like Monday to Friday. Are you 24/7? When do you sleep? We are sleeping. We're taking breaks. Whenever we're all sleeping, the server is at half time, so you get half the time back. Whenever one of us logs in, we add, like, if we're away for 8 hours, we add 4 hours back on stream. And then we're all pretty much just here. We're doing stuff. We're taking breaks. We're taking shifts. We're rotating. I'm actually going to rotate out in about 30 minutes. Beck's going to be doing some blowout building. The 1 million block break event is likely Friday. I think is the plan, is Friday evening. That way it's not during the school week. Everybody else can play. It's not during the school or work week. People can have a long evening time to be able to play.
Yeah, we have it on the spreadsheet for Friday. So
yeah.
Legs
Keep
has time
streaming
to
for
actually
30
set it
minutes.
Up. That's the plan.
I think you're good. Time check. Miracle Mender happy hour scheduled. I want to redeem my sub. We just finished a happy hour. We probably won't be one chunking at all. I'll see. 136 seconds, not even close. But yeah, not even close. As far away from 136 seconds as you can see. I'm so sorry, Luvani. You just missed it. 136 milliseconds. Okay, and that's it. You paused the stream. Yeah. You know what? Okay, hold on. We're all going to wait until Cactus gets back. We're not going to do anything until Cactus gets back.
Oh!
Don't. I see you. They can't see that because of the quest. I have to go down here for them to see it. Livani, thank you for the 1 year of support. Why did you put that on my head? What was the tissue hat meant to be? Okay. Sitting there not doing dishes and watching you wait. Yeah, I believe it. Okay, we're gonna stop waiting for Cactus now. Okay, I'm Cactus. I'm back from doing the dishes. Continue. Thanks, Cactus. That's great. Buzz. Okay. What were we doing? We were doing this match. We're almost there. Daikia. We've almost copied over all the code we need from. We've almost copied over all the code we need from. Oh, is.clone. Nope, that's daikia.getInstance. Dot get spectator. Just get spectator. Hey, Cactus is back. Perfect. You can unpause the stream. Thank you. We almost hit the point where we are done copying all of our code over. Get locations? No. Get return to hub item? No. Get instance post game location. Arena. Wheel. Boop, boop. Really? Oh my god. Okay. All right. This is happening. The forever feedback loop. All right. 10 subs are going out. That one's been there for a while. That one's been there since day one. It said that. Oh my goodness. 20 minutes on the timer, 10 gifted subs out to the community. Congratulations if you got one. Wait, Lan hadn't sent a message yet and got gifted a sub. They followed, they were gifted, they said hi. In that order.
Incredible.
Follow, gifted, first message. Oh, that's great. Just so you all know, as far as the quest, you have 11 minutes remaining on the quest and 20 points left. Been lurking around you for a while. This is perfect. Well, good timing. Is there anyone here not subbed anymore? I don't think so. I'm going to turn ads back on because at this point, no one's getting them. And we might as well get the credit.
Oh!
There you go. 5 gifted subs from an anonymous. Wait, those were tier 3s. Again. You know you can gift tier 1s. My God. That's 3. That's 5 more. That's an hour. That's an hour, you absolute legend. Marbles is on stream. We're at 39.56 for 4K. I know. Oh God.
Chat, keep gifting subs. I don't have one yet.
No, stop. it. We yell at people for saying that in chat.
Fair.
I'm turning ads back on. Because no one's going to get them. So we might as well turn them on. How much time is added per gifted sub? A tier 1 sub is 2 minutes. A tier 2 sub is 5 minutes. A tier 3 sub is I don't have 12 fingers. Is 12 minutes. This thing over here is basically counting minutes added. If you donate, if you do cheering or anything else like that, it's $1 a minute. So 100 is 1 minute. Basically, and that's the things. Tier 3s are starting to scare me. Wheel! We're not coding right now. That we're not getting any coding done. 25 minutes. Rookie gifted 3 months of tier 1 to Beckrock Roll.
Thank you, Rookie. I'm coming.
25 minutes? 25 minutes. We're at 138 hours, basically. More wheel, more wheel, more wheel. Rookie, you beat me to it. Yep. All the oceans are random. We have not spawned any ocean intentionally. Start the next quest. Hold on a second. Level 7 hype train. Ow, 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 it's right in the elbow every time. Which direction do you expect my elbows to point?
Would you like me to start the next quest?
Yeah, Marbles is just done. Marbles has happened. Do we start the next one right away?
I think so.
Okay, just start it right away. A pool game.
Ooh.
We'll immediately play pool. Well, probably not immediately because I have to go, but yes. The weenus is a dance. Everybody is a genius who knows it in advance. Everybody do the weenus. The weenus is a dance. Yep, I loved that episode. It was so good. Okay, have we done Destiny's Wheel?
What?
Oh!
Sierra, clear the pool table, please. Mini Skater with the 50 gifted subs. Level 10 hype train that's almost complete already. What is happening? We're at 143 hours. Okay, just start the next quest and it's done. Just start the next quest and we're just gonna give it. So whatever the next quest says, we're gonna do it.
Rolling quest.
Review old thumbnails. Sure, we'll do it.
Get cherished.
The most meaningless ad ever is playing right now. There's not a chance that anyone in this chat is not subbed at this point. Dino with a gifted sub as well. We're level 10 hype train. We're at a level 11 hype train right now. Any ad watchers in chat? Probably not. I'm just saying probably not. Like, what do you even say to that? Like, we hit 4K. We did hit 4K.
We hit 4K. I want to keep the pool table. I got distracted.
Yeah. Oh my. Okay. Someone save the ad watcher. Oh my god. Landland with a gifted sub to be a friend. Save the ad watchers. Oh my goodness. How many subs are there? I don't know. We are at 1,472 sub points. An anonymous gifter just gifted a tier 3 sub to Dat Nerd Girl. who's chilling in chat as well, and apparently is an ad watcher at the moment. We're saving the ad watcher. Jack, thank you for another rate. Don't tell me you died again.
Watch the show.
Jack, don't tell me you died again.
Thank you.
You have hydrated. Good. 16 save the ad watchers. AZ with the gifted to Scorvin as well as your first gifted sub. Scratch that. They just hit it. I can't send a message in Discord. Why is my Discord messages not sending? Tests. Why are all my Discord messages red? What's happening? Wait, why are all my Discord messages red? Discord's just down. Discord's down. I can't even tell them that it's broken. I can't even tell them that we hit the thing. Yeah, Discord's just down because this is just glitched. I told them we had a day. At least a day. I told them we had a day. Level 11 hype train is going on. Jack with 100 bits. Second run undid on day one, surviving better now. So yeah, yes. VC is fine. But yeah, all messages are down. I can't. Hoping that you think, Minnie.
Welcome, Raiders.
Jack rating again?
Choose your fate. Watch the show or watch
Oh no.
the show. Thank you.
Please. Yeah. Yeah, subathon so hard the Discord died. Okay, I have to turn off bubbles because that's breaking. Let's turn the bubbles off because that's glitched. Oh my goodness. That took forever. It broke. Okay. I had to. Oh yeah, there's 2 wheels outstanding. Back in the background. Wheel! Nothing. Wheel. I've copied over like half of. What's this? Quest.
I'm loading up the quest.
I'm copied over. Don't we have another happy hour? Yeah, it should be happy hour now.
I'm loading.
It should be happy hour now. The next miracle minutes at 4,500. Start singing. Oh, Sierra. Gonna need your help. We'll get to it tomorrow.
Sierra's having a day off, everyone.
100 is that a week? 144 hours is a week, right? I think I've done math. 144 hours is 160 is a week. 144 is
6
a
days.
work week.
6 days.
It's 6 days. There's only 672 hours in February. It's 6 days. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why do the ads keep happening? They're happening way too often. Hold
we're
on.
good for D&D.
Manual. I set it every 36 minutes. I set it to do ads every 36 minutes. There's no way it's doing it this often. This is genuinely insane. Yeah. 144 hours.
So we're good for Oops All DMs, World Tour, and getting to voicing the minigame.
Yeah, if I ever get to code it.
Yeah.
We've been streaming since noon on February 1st. So we've been streaming 24, 48, plus 12, 50, 60, plus it's 420. So 16, 76. We've been streaming for about 77 hours. We have twice as much time on the clock as there are hours, and that doesn't count for the 50% time overnight.
So that's 8 or 9 days with sleep time.
With sleep time, that is 8 or 9 days of streaming left. The president's Oh my god. Long calls like it never ends. It's at 14,000 hours. Hasn't even been in the call since September. My goodness. Yeah, my Discord's dead. My Discord is fully dead. Like loading, nothing, dead. Like fully dead. So Discord is down. We're already 1/3 of the way through February. No. Oh, with time remaining. Yes.
Yeah, we would be at the 12th.
We're at this point, we are basically set through Valentine's Day, I think, realistically speaking, given even the most minimal of additional time coming up. Discord is borked. We're still in Subathon VC though. Okay. Let me try. I'm gonna go to the coding screen. I'm gonna try to go to the coding screen.
Did happy hour engage?
Oh yes, we should. Oh, we doing happy hour? Yep. Power up on. Power up on 2x. It's not 32x. Good lord. 60 minutes.
And I'm fine.
Yeah, 5:22 specifically. Make a quest for chat to pick a place to take Mrs. Gundo for Valentine's. The only thing that's stopping me from already booking a place to take Mrs. Gundo for Valentine's is the need for a babysitter. Once I've arranged that, which I'm going to start texting for, Mrs. Gundo and I are going on the most lavish Valentine's Day date the week after Valentine's. Because this is a personal thing, and let me tell you a story. 2 years running, the first 2 years that we lived together, Mrs. Gundo was on a work trip over Valentine's Day weekend. And both years we celebrated Valentine's Day on the 21st, just like it is normally Valentine's Day, but we celebrated it on the 21st. We went out, we had a great dinner. I bought flowers. Vase of Roses is already ordered for day of Valentine's Day. That's done. Right? That's done. But we arrange all of that, and the idea is that we like celebrating 1 week later because it's less crowded. Things aren't overpriced. It's a lot more it's a lot more normal. So we celebrate it 1 week later. Chocolate is half off. It's great. So we do that. No, Beck is one of my editors. Beck is one of my editors. Mrs. Gundo is not an on-camera kind of person. Beck is Beck. Beck is Beck. Beck is back. Sierra.
Oh yeah, no, chat was calling me last night because
Oh, that might have confused some people in chat. No, okay, yes. No, Beck is Beck. Mrs. Gundo is not an on-camera kind of person, so Mrs. Gundo doesn't normally pop up on stream. But yes. So yeah, so we normally celebrate a week later just as a personal thing because we like doing that. Mini Skater, thank you for the 98 bits. Back to lurking. Enjoy your day and the rest of the subathon. You use that to round yourself up to a round number. 29,600 bits donated to the stream overall is wild. Okay. I'm checking to see where Mrs. Gundo is. She is on her way to going to pick up little Gundos. Oh, you found it. Nice. That's okay. I can't tell you all what 4K is until I can Discord some people to arrange some things. Just know that 4K is unlocked and is guaranteed. No, also no. 4K is unlocked. 4K is happening, but I can't tell you what it is until I've had some time to DM some people.
it's back.
Well, here's the thing. I DM'd them and I said, hey, we might be hitting this soon. And and then they basically said, like, sure, give us some time. So I need to wait to hear back from them before I can talk about what it is. I need you all to trust me that once I can, I will announce what the 4K event is. But I can't do that by myself. So we will get to that. Just trust. But yes, they just said, we'll let you know as soon as I can. Oh, Discord's back. Yeah, okay. Okay, cool. Because they just hit it. So, yeah. I'm gonna be here a while.
Whoa!
Enigma with another 50 gifted subs. With another 50 gifted. I cannot sing. That quest is for Sierra to start singing. That quest is literally for Sierra to start singing. You know what that tells me? That tells me that there's a quest out there that just says Sierra. Because I forgot that commas are a thing. So there's a quest out there that just says Sierra and nothing else. But the title of this quest was Sierra Start Singing, or at least that was the plan. Thanks. 147 hours on the clock. Help. Sierra writes new songs for the minigames. So the idea is Sierra's gonna produce music for the minigames.
Oh, Rise was the one that tripped on Discord.
Yep.
Thanks, Rise.
Oh my god. The reply I just got back was, your fans are going absolutely wild. That's awesome.
Oh!
Jack with another 5 gifted tier 1s as well. I should probably not be someone who's allowed in Oh my god, my heart is pounding. I didn't realize that. Oh, I just put my hand on my chest and my heart is just pounding. We are getting dangerously close to a week of uninterrupted time on the clock. Keep an eye on the clock that it's not going to redo events again, everybody, please. Oh my god. Enigma Fig, I am scared of you. Okay. We're gonna go code. I'm writing some code. I'm gonna write some code. I'm gonna do some things. Maybe we don't need to spawn supply crates. That's not a thing. Die Kia duck at instance. Die Kia strings. We're writing code. I actually think we're okay at the moment. We don't need falling block landing. Purple and blue. I can do that. Lights. Streaming mode.
Is it bullying if we do nice things?
No, it's not. It genuinely isn't. Die Kia get instance. Okay. Then this is to do. Check if valid. If valid block.
Thank you for the
break
hydrate.
events. I need my code screen intake. Yep. Y'all, I am starting to run out of ideas. I'm not gonna lie. I am panicking. Oh boy. Oh boy. Thank you. I have hydrated. Everybody take a drink. We don't need to worry about magenta glazed terracotta. We don't need to, we only need to, so prevent spectators and prevent dropping the no drop items. This needs to be to do if not inside a build space. So I need to change this to be you can only build inside your arena. We're not going to worry about TNT. So that's that. Not TNT the block. Yes, this is IntelliJ idea. This is the next minigame for Leg.gg, which we're going to code live, which we are coding live. We're trying to code live. Discord is alive again, yes. On projectile hit, we are not caring about. On player damage. Then we need to... On player explode, we don't need to do that. On player damage, entity damage event. If it's void, block explosion, entity explosion. So this should be... this will not blow up the player. This will be to do return player to their spawn point. Their spawn point. Thank you, Jack. If you just do it faster. I don't... The anticipation, while fun, if you just do it really quick, they're never expecting it. I'm not using previously developed code from another mod pack. I am using one from another game. I'm repurposing code from the game called Blowout, which exists on the server. You can play it right now.
Thank you for giving him an outlet, Jack. Yes, thank you. I'm writing down...
So I'm basically taking one minigame that I made in a weekend, and I'm going to make another minigame that I'm going to make in a weekend. So that's the plan. That's the plan. So that's why we're able to kind of leverage some existing code that we have. But that's why I'm also in the process of like repeating some code that we had. How do you join the server? It is leg.gg. That is the IP address. You can play right now, and you can get set. You can get your own things set up. I'm not dragging anyone down with me. Okay, that's good. IP, everybody's got you. You have the IP in triplicate form. You should be good to go. Get player score. That needs to be an actual method. But yeah, so because of this, I am in the process of get round time. We don't need the border delay. And we don't need the last damage delay. We don't need and we don't need kill points. And then match. We don't need border delay, last damage delay, or the boom modifier. One related problem. Boop, boop. Players. Active team. So why is this mad? Teams. Oh, it needs to be of team config. Nope. Jack for the 49 bits as well. Thank you so much. That's very, very kind of you. Mute stream and focus on something for a minute. You're fine. And Amiga sending love. See you later, Jack. Thank you so much for the intense support. It's very, very, very kind of you. I am continuously blown away. Expected 5 arguments, but found 6. New match. So round time. Int survival points. So that's now correct. Active team. Import team config. Oh! Mini Skater with the 100 gifted subs.
So now might be a good time for me to slide this over to Legs.
Oh my god. What are we doing?
What the?
Everyone has a sub. I just checked. That is half as many people as are watching. In the last few hours, in the last hour and a half, you all have gifted more than 2 times the amount of people who are watching the stream in subscribers. What the heck is going on? Oh my god. Oh my god. We're here forever. Okay, we're going to do a bunch of small things. We're going to do a bunch of small things all together. So tonight, I'm going to make a Discord channel where you all are going to be able to suggest my Twitter profile, my Blue Sky profile picture. And the limitations or the restrictions is it has to be of me. It has to be of me. And the one with the most upvotes, I will keep as my Blue Sky profile picture for a month. And I already regret because I know exactly what image is going to win. Oh boy. I already know exactly which image is going to win. I already know. And I'm going to yeah, thanks Luna. Right? I could probably bend the rules a little. It has to be of me. It can't just be a random photo. So it has to be of me. I'm gonna see. I can't do any of these other. We can't commit to any of these other things without coordinating with people. And I thought we had more time. The first one I know, but yeah, we could do that. Yeah, it means that there's okay. So all of this means that there's now time, like guaranteed time to do a few of these things. Can you just tell them to set up an instance for that and get ready? Because that'll be great. So that way they know that. So we 100% will have time to do a whole bunch of things. I'm gonna add a second D&D thing to what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
Yeah, because at this point we're gonna do Oops LTMs, but I think I'm probably gonna have to do another one shot where I will just committedly DM another one shot, and we will do a one shot with Havoc from you all. I have to reach out to the Blood on the Clock Tower group to get games scheduled. So I have just tell them someone gifted 100 subs, they might get the urgency. It's more just having the time to message people and schedule and organize things. I am not prepared. I am not prepared for this. We only set goals up to 5K.
Yes, we did.
Oh.
We did.
Oh my God. What am I gonna do? Oh my God. No, don't take this wrong. This is panic in the best possible way. This was, I was preparing for and just mentally like ready, and I had a thought of what it would do, and I had an idea of kind of like the vibe, and it's like, hello everybody, here is my goals. And you all went, screw your goals. Screw your goals. And I'm not ready for that. Okay? I do need that back. God, my chest. There are goals now. Screw your goals. Oh my God. Holly, don't burst your stitches for stream. Oh my God. Wheel!
Wheel!
The walls are actually blue right now, so this one is color balanced. 10 minutes. Oh my God. Okay. So I'm gonna let me check Mrs. Gundo's position here, because I'm ready to go have time with my kids. Oh my goodness.
What's 10 minutes at this point?
A drop in the ocean. We're still in happy hour. We are still in happy hour for just a little bit longer. You know what I love in this moment? The gauge is too wide that the 2x is being cut off. The gauge is being cut off. You can see it on the right hand side that the 2x, the little spinny gauge, is outside of the bounding box of the thing. To write a subathon shanty. Okay. Paper, please. Just an idea. That up. Put that in. I just came up with another goal that we can do. I'm just starting to plan for beyond 5,000 at this point because it is like so many things. Paint. Oh, we could do a little painting segment.
Yeah.
Oh, we could do a little painting segment. At this point, it's less about the goals and more about just like there's so much time for so much programming, like so many things that we're going to do. I'm all for getting a little canvas. We should get canvas and the floofiest of wigs, and I should be Bob Ross. I'm here for this. We can make this happen. Right? Painted my head since I can't dye my hair. $55.
Okay, got it.
This is great. This is great. Yeah, I just committed to that. I just added that for 5,500 because at this point we're going there. This is happening. Like this is happening. We're overall we can get anything. Yep. 5,500. I will make sure I am freshly shaved. And I will let the other two people here full canvas from here to here, right? Full canvas. 5K is the next miracle minute. That is the next ridiculous goal. Is 5K is the next miracle minute, and 5,500 you will paint my head. And at 6K, I just came up with another video idea, which is something that I've wanted to do for quite some time. And we can do. And I'm thinking about other options that we have, and I have to send so many messages to people. Wait, did I say it was 4,500? I'm sorry. I brain farted. Yes, the next miracle minute is unlocked at 45. I'm sorry. I am just overwhelmed at the goals. You're right. I did. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to
Paint
scam.
the hair from your Minecraft skin onto your head.
Can I paint on the hair?
Like the original hair.
Can you paint on the hair with your Minecraft skin? Oh my goodness. Oh, I get that now. No, I'm going to let them choose. I'm going to let them choose. Check art channel right now. Oh no. Okay. We basically have this weekend fully booked, right?
Yeah. We'll talk.
We'll talk. Double check because we had booked a lot of this weekend. Give me a little bit, maybe Sunday. to get some things figured out. I was not ready for this. But yeah, little square sponges and MC pixel. I bring it on. I will let them choose. I will let them choose what it is. Where's the art channel?
Well, we'll split your head down the middle. We each get a side.
Oh God.
Unless Monday wants me to fully take over your head at having artistic knowledge.
Wait, I'm leaking things.
Do a leg
I cannot
day.
have Discord open right now. I'm leaking things.
Do a leg day, like an exercise day, where we have a full-on workout stream.
I can't be on Discord right now. I'm leaking things. God. No thought, only
Okay, I'm gonna go get my tea prepped for building.
Yeah,
I'll be
you
right
might
back.
want to because they're almost done. They're almost here. Like Zumba bring it. You know what? I'm here for it. Do we just do hot ones again? Like, we could do hot ones again. Does that feel satisfying? We could. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, 100%. Hot ones again. Hot ones with everyone doing it. I don't think Beck can't for dietary restrictions, and Sierra won't. So I don't think we can. Deal or No Deal 3. We haven't even done Deal or No Deal 2 yet. Right? We haven't even done that. Haven't even done that yet. Provided. Oh God. Get player team returns so many things. Teams is hash set of teams. We are so in trouble. Team dot. Is there like, does the team know how to get its config? I don't think it does. Okay. This is going to take a lot to figure out. I shouldn't have just copied blowout, because there's some things that just aren't 100% compatible, but we will get to that. To do prep, actually no, prep matchmaking can be correct. The server state is equal to this. Two related problems needs to be die kia.get instance boop this .get instance. Here, I can just do this. F so F R replace with this. This needs to be blowout.get instance. Replace everything. Here, copy that. Control Shift R. Replace with this in all files. And then blowout strings are with die kia strings. Replace all. Replace blowout.get log with die kia.get log. Replace all. Control Shift R. That with that. Biomass.java. Search. Done. Okay. How are we doing now? Team. Config team and match.get teams. The scoreboard runner is potentially fixed. Arena is potentially no, team that and get that. Spawn teams is empty, so that's correct. Last damagers, we don't need to do this. Cause of death is misadventure. That's actually fine. So we're good. Like this is coding 100 subs incoming. Yeah, ECR, things happened. some things have happened.
Should we set up the backup timer?
Yes, we should reconfigure the backup timer. Let me just do that real quick. Just so that we're safe. Dashboard. Oh boy. So yeah, so Miracle Minute is at 4,500, which we will schedule the next Miracle Minute. I have something thought for 5, 55, and 6 now at this point. Oh boy. I need to, and just trust me that the 4K one is done, but just not ready, because I need to figure stuff out with people. Lex is coding. Don't put that out there. Okay. Control panel. Thank you. Reset timer. Every time I set this up, it's higher. 54. 43. 44. Oh, I can't.
There is a quest where chat gets to decide where we order dinner from.
Yes. Well, like roughly what kind of dinner?
Chat makes dinner.
Start. Chat makes dinner for a change.
We sit in front of the screen and watch the food.
Okay, there we go. They are roughly in sync. Shawarma. I mean, that could be fun. Pizza. I could make pizza. I make a mean pizza. Okay, how much of this is broken now? Thai restaurant, extra spicy. I mean, after what I just did with hot ones, bring it on at this point. Could be a movie night or something. We can make a mean pizza too. Yep. Okay, yeah. This is oh, I need hologram stuff as well. That can go. 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 We need to build the starting arena for this too. We have a lot to do. Oh my goodness. Mod recipe share night. We could potentially do something like that. Jack with the 230 bits. I know I said I was leaving, but I'm gonna lurk and listen. No worries. So Beck, what happened? We need to double check some stuff. Oh my goodness, I need to double check some things. Okay, so here we're gonna stop. Partially done moving, copying from blowout. Commit. We'll save this. I thought you had to leave. No, I said I usually leave around 4:35. The family is just pulling up, so I need to head upstairs shortly. But let's look at Photoshop for a second. Let's look at this list, right? Let's look at this list because I am utterly flabbergasted. This is a miracle minute. This is still classified, but has happened. 3,200 was a happy hour. 3,500 was a leg.gg mini game event.
And the 2x ended 20 minutes early.
It ended 20 minutes early. That's wild. Okay, so power up on 2x 20 minutes. I think we're back. We're up and running now? We're up and running now. Okay. Okay. What is outstanding still here?
We did the happy hour.
We're making the new game. We've made my skin bald.
We got Deal or No Deal. We're making game.
I owe some tier list stream. So we owe tier list streams.
Yes.
We did we're doing the happy hour right now.
We revealed the 1 million blocks, and it's scheduled for Friday.
Yes, and we revealed 1 million. Oh no. We revealed 1 million blocks. Okay, so this is orange, so that's pending. Right? This is yeah, that's right. 32 is 1 million blocks.
Editing thumbnails.
Blocks. Yeah, we have just a bunch of stuff that we're that is oh no, yeah. Wait. No, that was a quest.
Oh, that was a quest.
That was a quest
okay.
that we have to do. Those are quests. I'm going to just I am so okay, let's delete this. What was that? 26? What was the tier list streams? It was 26?
Mm-hmm.
Classified. Paint Legs' head. Classified. Is that one? This is Pain Legs' head. No. Paint. I what do we even do? Right? Y'all scare me if I have to make more ... I'm just gonna put this. Do I just put this right here in a really small font? Like just like this? Like right here? I'll put that down there.
What the?
I'm gonna add a bunch of question marks because I'm gonna say like we're gonna have a new goal every 500 at this point, 500 points, which is every 1,000 subs or donations or everything else. Because y'all keep doing this.
They can't keep getting away with it.
I don't know. Plus the quests that are happening too. So half of this stuff that you're getting twice for. This is half the stuff that y'all are getting, like half the stuff you're getting like double, like 2x for because you're getting quests along the way. And merch. Who just bought something? Thank you for your hoodie purchase. Add time 20 minutes, which adds. That is wrong because that added an hour. Yes. Okay. I'm going to do this. One sec. Power up, off. Power up, off. Power up on 2x for 15 minutes. I think the gauge is wrong, but the power up duration is correct. Because I added 20 minutes and it added an hour.
Interesting.
Right? Yeah. 4,500 is a miracle minute, or will be a miracle minute. We're almost there. We'll schedule another miracle minute. Can I raise this to 7777 just for giggles? Really? No, I'm not gonna. Oh my God. No, I'm gonna say this. I am so do it. Sure. You know, and then, but that's the last one I'm gonna put. I'm just gonna make it be 7777 as the last one.
They love gambling.
We love gambling so much. Cool. 5. You love gambling. It should be 7s. You're right. Desktop. Milestones.
They want Subathon blood.
Milestones 4.
Are you not entertained?
What was 4,000? I can't reveal 4,000 until...
There are other people that it hinges on.
There are other people that it hinges on, and scheduling needs to happen, and I need to arrange a couple things, and I need to figure out a couple things. And I cannot Here, you're right. It should be green because it should be like this is happening. Right? But these 3 things here, I'm going to make them like purple. Like they're happening. Oh wait. 1 million blocks to reveal was 2,900. What was 32? We wrote it down. You know exactly what 4K is? Yes, you do. Oh yeah, there was no. I said I was just gonna do a whole bunch of stuff. So like
that was a
that was the minigame event. So what was 35? 35 was the happy hour. Oh no, that makes sense. Yeah, 35 was the happy hour. And then that one's done. We've done 1,000 subs in an hour, basically, because we're still just finishing up the happy hour. We've done 1,000.
Yeah.
4K is classified because I need to figure some things out and make sure that it can happen. But, yeah. When I originally scheduled this thing for what was at 4K, I told them I'm like, does exist. Yeah, that's already been announced. No. It's not that. It's something else. I said that this would likely happen in week 3. I'm going to be completely honest. I had this pegged for happening around the 21st. And that's clearly not happening. It's happening way sooner. So I have a lot of logistical things to do off stream because I need to organize and format quite a few things. Magnus with 10 gifted subs. Yes, it's not just subs. I know. It's overall points. It's like everything all together. Oh, really?
What the heck, dude?
156 hours exactly. And they're, yeah.
2 of my friends got gift subs.
Oh, that's perfect.
That's amazing.
That's perfect. All right, I'm posting this, and then that's going to be the end of my segment, and Beck's going to do some blowout building.
Yes. You know what? We could just have this be, you guys get to you get one of these maps revealed right now anyway.
Yes. So that can count for a small, like, at this point, this is, like, the milestones are important, but this is more like we're just going to reveal all the things. We're gonna show all the things. I just accidentally clicked your channel, but you can't leave now that you were gifted a sub. Katie, welcome to Lagundo's Tavern. There is no leaving Lagundo's Tavern. You're here forever now. You're just stuck here for forever. Let's put it away from the mixer. Here, I'll move all of these things. Got it. Sounds good. Yeah, there are no cults in Lagundo's Tavern. We're just very passionate about very specific things. Oh boy. We've added almost, where were we at? Were we at 80? We were at 110-ish.
When this entire burst happened.
45 hours to the stream today. We've crushed almost every goal I could have imagined. We've done things faster than I ever expected. We are in trouble. I have so much planning to do. ... Oh boy. Okay, post is up on Blue Sky. We have a bunch of small things that we're going to do to kind of collectively do this. I have organization to do for 4K. I have things to put together for 5K. You forgot to say send help. No. There's no sending help. This is just a thing that's happening. All right, so I'm going to leave you all with Beck. Subathon Day 3. Beck builds blowouts battlefields. Yes, the alliteration. I'm going to leave you all with Beck. Be good, everybody. I will be back in about 2 hours. Yes, and when we are back, I'm going to buy and install the Outer Wilds. And we are going to start playing through that game. I need to go explain to Mrs. Gundo what's happening.
We'll be back around 7.
Yes, I'll be back around somewhere between 7 and 8.
And
Oh yeah, that's right. Deal or no deal at 8. We'll install Outer Wilds while that's running, and then we're going to play Outer Wilds after that. So that's the plan. Okay, see you all very, very soon. We're going to bounce the stream. I will catch you all in just a little bit. Bye-bye. You're up. We're going to bounce stream.